Hello friends, today I will be discussing another topic in C, which is input output. Now input output printf scanf we have seen, but how to format that thing? When I do this 5.66666, how much will be printed? See 10.4 LF means for integer part 10 output space will be kept, like here. If I like this 10, this how much will be kept? For integer part 5, 10 space will be kept, like I have executed that thing. See, for integer part see, for integer part 10 space will be kept. For total 10 space will be kept. The total of 10 space will be kept. Out of that 4 will be integer. Okay, 4 is integer, total of 10, right? Okay, this is write justified. If I don't give anything, say anything, is write justified. The moment I do minus 10.4, this will be left justified. See, here justified, this page is empty. And if I give 20 s Asia, if it is a string, then 20 space will be kept, right justified. If I write minus 20, it will be left justified. And this is what? Slash n, this is escape character. Slash, this is an escape character. The moment compiler will going to find this, it will going to escape the normal. This should be printed as n. It will not be taken as n. It will be taken as a special character, which means a new line character. Okay. Now what the sprintf does? Sprintf, str is a string of 100 characters. So sprintf %d 20 instead of, if we write printf and %d 20, output will be on screen. If I don't do that, if I write sprintf and there is a string here, then the output will be written in the string. Okay. Now if I do only scanf, what will happen? Scanf %d I. What will going to happen? From the input I have to give the input, but if I write scanf and a string here, input will be taken from this string, and puts means output 20. Now many times in the past I had given I will scanf %. Can I give multiple character here? No, I cannot. I cannot put multiple character here, though one option is there. Just before s, you can do something by which you can get multiple character in scanf also, but in this way it will not take. It will only be taking, if I do this and this, see, it took this, puts s, it should have outputted whatever it has taken, but it didn't. Now I have given flush standout. Flush means everything will be flushed out, but I don't know why things here didn't work. In this machine things are not working. I myself don't know, but it is giving the output as star, and this scanf star is taking only y and u. See, put star y u, and after that whatever is left over ui is taken by f gets. Okay, and then it is outputted as this. Now what does this? And if, since I am giving yu and ui at the same time, it should have taken this, but no, scanf like this will only be taking before space, anything before first space. yu, after the space it will be taking only yu, and the left will be left in this input buffer. After that input buffer will take this str is reading the rest of the value. Okay, to stop this okay, but this if I want to take multiple value together, what I can do fgets. Okay, it will take multiple value. Then execute this program again like this. This will be taken by that scanf. After that okay, scanf will take this, but fgets took everything and output. Again this yu should have came before after this yu, but I'm doing flash, but flash is not working here, so this portion why it's not need research. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe it. No, one more thing is there, command line. This is called command line. Okay, execute this program first, then only okay. What is happening? We are giving argument with a dot out. See, a dot out, we are giving the arguments. First, whenever if we want to pass some value to the main function itself. Previously main function is not taking any value, but if we want to pass, how can we do that? Through argc and argv. Whatever we give after a dot out, gh, kl, rt will be taken as argv and rc. Rc is the number of value we give. Here we give a dot out will be taken as 0, 1, 2, 3. So value of a dot argc will be 3 in this case. Okay, and argv is a array of pointer to characters. Array of pointers to character. Okay, a dot out is the first string it will keep. A0 will be a dot out, a1 will be gh, a2 will be kl, a3 will be argv0 will be a dot out, argv1 will be gh, argv2 will be kl, argv3 will be rt. Okay, what I am doing here, puts argv count from 0 to less than argc will be here 4 variable will be there, so argc will be 4. Value of argc because 1 2 because 1 2 3 4 is there, 0 to 3, so 0 to 3 things are printed. This will be argv0 a dot out, argv1 gh, argv2 kl, argv3 rt. Okay, now what is this ptr bracket? This is a pointer to a function. Okay, a pointer to a ptr I am assigning pri. Pri is just printing high. Pri, then I am calling through this pointer to a function, I am calling this printing high. Okay, so this is command line argument. If I want to take any value through command to the value to the main function itself, I will be using command line argument. Okay, so that's all for this slide. If you like this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.